In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most out of Miro, the powerful visual workspace designed for innovation. Whether you're collaborating with a team or working on your own projects, Miro offers a versatile platform to visualize your ideas effectively. Let's dive right in and explore how you can get started and make the most of this tool. First, you'll want to head over to the Miro website to begin the process. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Miro login page. You can find it easily by searching for Miro login in your search engine or directly entering the URL if you have it handy. Once you're on the page, you'll see various options to sign in. For today's tutorial, we'll streamline the process by choosing Continue with Email. This approach is not only straightforward, but also a common choice for those who prefer to manage their accounts through email access, ensuring everything you need is at your fingertips. After you've logged in successfully, you'll land on the Miro dashboard. This is your launchpad where you can access all your ongoing projects and boards. The dashboard environment might seem a bit busy at first, but don't worry, it's designed to help you stay organized and efficient. To proceed, select an existing board from your dashboard. If you're part of a team or regularly engage in collaborative projects, you'll likely find a plethora of boards here. Choose the one that best aligns with your current focus, and let Miro bring your project to life with its incredible array of tools and capabilities. Now here's a handy tip that will make your navigation even smoother. Once you're inside a board, press the F1 key on your keyboard. This action will unveil a list of keyboard shortcuts specifically tailored for Miro. Familiarizing yourself with these shortcuts is like adding a secret weapon to your creative toolkit. Not only do they boost your productivity, but they also enable you to execute tasks with speed and precision, allowing you to channel more energy into crafting your ideas rather than managing the interface. Miro's visual interface is intuitive, yet full of potential for deep customization and personalization. Whether you're mapping out strategies, brainstorming new concepts, or collaborating in real time with colleagues around the globe, Miro facilitates a seamless flow of ideas and creativity. Taking the time to explore and make use of its diverse features will undoubtedly enhance the quality and impact of your projects. That's all for today's guide on using Miro. Remember, the more you practice and explore the platform, the more proficient you'll become. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't hesitate to leave a comment or share with your network. Thank you for watching, and happy collaborating with Miro.